Okay, dearest friends, welcome all of you in our taxation orientation class for March 2025. In this today's taxation orientation, we'll be discussing the paper format. Second, what exactly ASA offers in taxation. And I'm myself, Abeel Ahmed, Principal and CEO of ASA. Let us quickly discuss the paper format. Paper format is very simple, I would say. That is section A. There are 15 multiple choice questions. Each one is having 2 marks. Each one is having 2 marks. The main point is for section A, you have to have a really good grip on the entire syllabus. They can ask the question on any area of the syllabus. It means for section A, you should be having a really good grip on the entire syllabus. Okay. Now, section B. When it comes to section B, there will be 3 questions. Each one is having 10 marks. But the main thing is, in section B, basically each question will have a small, I would say, scenario. Each question will have a small scenario. On that small scenario, examiner is going to set 5 multiple choice questions. So each question. So it means that 3 questions, but on each question there will be 5 multiple choice questions having 2 marks each. Again, in section B, you have to have a really good grip on the entire syllabus. So section B question can also come from any area of the syllabus. Okay, now let's talk about section C. Section C. In section C, there will be a 110 marks question. Section C is basically on long questions. One is 10 marks question, another 2, they are 15 marks each. So total section C is having 40 marks, and 40 marks paper is on actually long questions, where you should have a really good idea about the spreadsheet as well. Now, only for the out of these 15 marks question, one question will be on income tax. One question, just a minute, students. Give me just... So in section C, examiner has clear one thing, that is, out of 15 marks question, one question will be on income tax, that is on individuals. And the second question will be on corporation tax. Now, actually in taxation, if you ask me in taxation, the highest marks achieved by one of my students, they are 99 marks, world top. So in taxation, we have, alhamdulillah, produced 99 marks. Now, what exactly we offer in taxation, what makes our taxation unique, different from others? Let me explain. Entire taxation just within 74 lectures, only 74. And each lecture on average, it is just 45 minutes long. Most of the time, I would say it is ranging between 40 and 45. So let's make it 45 for the safe side. Within this 74 lecture, we have covered the entire course with practice of section A, B, and C. You will get the study planner. You are going to get weekly live revision classes. And now let me tell you the objective of weekly live revision classes. We are going to cover the entire taxation through live revision classes. Normally, it takes minimum 18 hours, goes till 20, sometime let's say on the safe side, 22 hours. So joining ASA taxation paper means you will have the opportunity to study the entire taxation syllabus through live revision classes as well. Minimum 18 hours, maximum it goes 20, for the safe side, 22 hours. So you will be getting the chance that you can interact with your tutor weekly. You will also get the focus notes, just 60 pages notes. Within that 60 pages, entire taxation is covered, and there will be number of assignments. And at the end of the term, there will be a mock on CB format. You will get the mock debrief as well. And if you submit the mock within the specific time which we will provide you to my college, then I'm going to personally check your mock and I'll give you the feedback on that particular mock. So basically, the good thing is just within 74 lectures, if I just convert that into the timing, let me show you. 74 multiplied by 45 upon 60. Let's see how many hours it takes. It takes only 55.5 hours, or on the safe side, make it 56 hours. So just within 56 hours, you can complete your entire taxation paper. Because when the video lectures, they become too many, they become very long, student, they simply lose their interest. Because if instead of 74, if the lectures are, let's say, 274, nobody is going to watch. So that is why I come up with a solution. The solution is you will get each and everything just by spending 56 hours. In addition to that, obviously, you will be getting the live revision classes. Normally, twice a week, the live revision classes, if needed, frequency can increase also. Plus, you are going to get my WhatsApp support. And on this WhatsApp group, I'm going to personally reply your queries, no teacher assistant. So this is what exactly I wanted to discuss with you in our taxation orientation, that what is the paper format, what exactly we offer you in taxation. And I'm just writing my admin number. You have 2 to 3 minutes. If you have any question, you can ask. ASA admin number. For those students, they are outside Pakistan, then 0092 333 666 214. And students within Pakistan, 0333 666 214. There's one more admin number. Let me just write. Another number is, again, if you are outside Pakistan, 0092 328 284 6117. Those students, they are within Pakistan, 0328 284 6117. So students, any question if you want to ask, please go ahead. You can ask. Okay, there are questions. Almas Fatma, Siddharth Sharma. Okay, Almas Fatma is asking, can we opt two papers together for March attempt? It is possible to complete the preparation. You can obviously go for two papers, provided that you have time. If you can spend around, I would say on average, 4 to 5 hours per day, at least make it 5 hours per day on average, then you can go for two papers. Otherwise, better to go for one paper. Okay, Siddharth Sharma is asking, hi sir, hope you are well. Needed to know what paper combination will work with tax. Basically, okay. Please give details regarding the live revision classes. Since I'm traveling a lot, I won't be able to take all. Basically, if you miss the live revision class, don't worry at all. The recording will be available. On the same day, the recording will be uploaded. With taxation, you can take PM, you can take FR. So, but again, if you're traveling so much, so better to, stick with one paper rather than to go for two papers. Students, any other question? You can ask if you have. And let me tell you one thing. The live revision classes, they are difference making. They're the game changer. Because every week you can interact with your tutor. That's it. Okay, there's any other questions? Sir, will you cover? Obviously. Sunil is asking. Definitely. Uh, Basically, when we'll be discussing our in the live revision classes, all the questions, they will be from the past papers and obviously from the latest Kaplan Kit according to Finance Act 2023. And the variant which we will be studying that is obviously UK variant. Yes, recent papers as well, obviously. Okay, students, any other question? And we are starting our live revision classes from the coming week. And if you are enrolled students, obviously, by Monday evening, you will get to know the timings and the day off for the first live revision class. And at least 2 days before the class, you will get to know the topic, each and everything, so that you will have 2 days to, you know, look for each and everything. And in case I'll at least 2 to 3 days before the class, I will let you know so that you can, schedule and take out the time for the live revision class. Normally, if I talk on the basis of past, if I tell you the duration of the class, live revision class duration is normally 45 minutes to 1 hour. Because we are not conducting once a week class for taxation. Normally, we conduct 2 classes per week. And if in any week there is going to be one class instead of two, then time period of one class will be at least 2 hours. Any other questions, students? So, students, that is all about taxation orientation March 2025. Let's see. So, that was all about taxation orientation March 2025. Hope to see you all in my relevant WhatsApp groups and in my live revision classes. So, get enrolled yourself as soon as possible, so that by studying this Finance Act 2023 for March 2025 attempt, you can easily pass the paper provided that you follow all the instructions. So thank you very much.